Hi and welcome. I'm trying to learn space science. Today, how long would it take to get to the sun? And after we've done that, we're going to do backstretching. And if you participate in the backstretching, that's the downlist. This is already part 2. And we know that the sun is 150 million kilometers from Earth away. And light traveling very fast takes around 8 minutes to come from the sun to the Earth. And the humans have built something called, or a satellite called the Solar Probe Plus, which can travel 720,000 kilometers per hour. And that would be fast enough to get from London to New York in 30 seconds. But from Earth to the sun, the satellite Solar Probe Plus will take 6 years. And let's try to do it as a presentation. I have a second camera, I'm going to start it. And let's try to save it. The sun is 150 million kilometers from the Earth afar. What is it called? Is away. How long? The distance. Afar. The sun is 150 million kilometers afar from the Earth. The light needs 8 minutes to travel from the sun to the Earth, and the humans have built a satellite called the Solar Probe Plus, and that thing can travel at 720,000 kilometers per hour. With that thing, it would take 30 seconds from London to New York, and that satellite will need 6 years to travel from the Earth, the 150 million kilometers to the sun. And that is according to Out of This World by Isabel Thomas, page 15. Now, here at the end, I want to say one thing. The distance from the Earth to the sun is not always the same. It changes with the seasons. Have I heard? But we're going to stay with 150 million kilometers for now. I'm going to stop the second camera. And we will do now the backstretching. If you were here just for the distance of Earth to sun, then you can go directly to the next video. We will do now the backstretching. If you participate in the backstretching, let's set your own risk. Legs standing at a shoulder wide apart, everything in lifting the arms up. And breathe out, we're going over to one side. And breathe in and out with the cage. And again out. Again in. And out into the middle. Breathe again in. And out. Out the gas. Breathe in and out with the cage. And out into the middle. You always breathe in through the nose into the chest and out through the mouth. Breathe in. Now one sees the Acroptra, the next exercise. And out one hand slides down the leg and the other shoulder stays down. Breathe again in. And out we're taking one out. Breathe in and out the cage. And again out. Breathe again in. And out one hand slides down the leg, the other shoulder stays down. Breathe in. And out one arm over. Breathe in and out the rib cage. And again out. Feet are standing together. The aeronautic body plane. Breathe in. Lift the arms up. And out one hand down. Breathe in and reach. And out hands up. Again in. And out the other hand down. Breathe in and reach. And out hand up. And the arms. Now we're doing the macro. Breathe in and lift the arms up. And breathe out the arms down over chest to sky. Breathe in, over cross the arms and intertwine the fingers, reach high. And breathe out, reach in front and hold over back. Again in up. Out and the arms down over chest to the sky. Again in. Now cross the arms intertwine the fingers, reach high. And out, reach in front and hold it back. Again in, the arms up. And out and down. And we're breathing in, lifting the arms up. And out, opening them to the side. Lifting the arms up. And out, open the arms to the other side. We can lift the arms up and down. And last exercise. Long arms, reach far in front, high up and wide back. Again in front, reach in front with the fingertips, high up and down. And let's do 2 shoulder circles backwards. Up, back, up and back. That was a back stretching. I thank you very much and until next time.